Welcome to CASHAPP Fixes. This is Mohamed. Please subscribe, share and like. Today we have 2000 and what year this car is? Actually from 4, 5, 6 Nissan Murano and Nissan Quest. Usually they put the computer here. This is the location of the computer, and sometimes the drainer get clogged and water raise up here and eat the computer from under and create drivability or burn the computer. If you have any problem or if you have the car like this earlier before anything happened as a preventive, please try to take the computer out, clean the grounds, clean the power, clean the space under here, and also clean the water drainer, and be sure that everything is okay. This is one of the symptoms that we have it most of the time, and also the ground. It happened for Nissan Murano, Nissan Quest, Nissan Rogue, all the model 2006, 5, 7, with the computer located in this place. Please do not wait till the computer go bad. Fix it earlier. Also fix those grounds, change them with the new ground terminals.
Good morning, sir.
Good morning, how are you? Also the grounds here, also try to fix them, clean them, and be ready. If you have coils, change the coils earlier, because those coils, they go bad and damage the computer. Thank you for watching Mobile Electronic. This is 1 minute and 30-second advice. Please see you in another video. Mohamed Idris Harun. Share, subscribe, and like. Thank you.